Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Baldur's Gate 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam launcher on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page from which you can directly start searching for any game that you wish to download or install. Just click on the search box at the top section and then type in Baldur's Gate 3 and start your search. After finding the game that you wish to buy, go ahead and click on it and verify your age in order to continue. After entering your date of birth, click on View Page, and now you will see the Add to Cart button alongside the price of the game. Go ahead and click on this, and you can now click on View My Cart in order to proceed forward with your payment. Click on Continue to Payment, and you can now choose your payment method in order to proceed forward with your payment information. After entering all of your payment information, click on Continue once again to verify your payment, and once the transaction has been completed, the game will be added onto your library, from which you will then be able to install the game onto your system. After the installation has been completed, you will be able to locate the game on your library and immediately start the game from your games list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Baldur's Gate 3 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.